Welcome to this Listbox screencast. I'm Jake, and today we're going to send an email to our list using an email program, such as Outlook, MacMail, Gmail, or any other email program you use. If this is the first time you've sent an email to your list from an email program, you'll have to start by changing your list settings. So let's start by logging into our list and going to our settings page. In order to enable us to send an email to our list, we need to change some settings on our settings page. If you are not on the About This List section of the settings page, please click on the About This List option on the left side of the page. Let's take a look at how messages will be sent to the list. Right now, my list is set to Listbox Composer only. This means that if I try to create a message and send it to my list using any method other than the Listbox Composer, it will wind up in the discarded area of the messages section. To allow emails to be sent to your list from an email program, you will need to select Administrators Can Send Emails. Let's choose this and save our settings. There's one other option in this section, which is for listservs and discussion list only. If you select All Subscribers Can Send Email, any subscriber can send a message to your list. If your list has more than 500 subscribers, we'll automatically stop you from selecting this option, but people with smaller email marketing lists should take care not to select it. Once you've selected Administrators Can Send Email, people who have the status of administrator, list owner, or moderator will be able to send an email to your list. You can set or revoke these privileges by clicking on the Administrator section shown here. We have a few other options we can set up for this message. Let's take a look at the blue column on the left side of the page. We will see a new option called Message Format. Let's click on that now. Here, we can format the messages that are sent externally. We can change the firm address to read the message sender, list name, or other. Choosing other will let you specify a different firm address than the one your email program uses. So, if you wanted the message to come from your company's customer service address, you would set it up here. Let's choose the message sender for now. Let's look at the subject section. Here we can add text to the subject of a message. Please remember, the text that you include here will be added to the beginning of the message subject. This can be useful if you send daily messages, but most email marketing campaigns won't use this option. We can also specify the reply to address for our messages. You can choose the message sender, the list owners, the list name, auto reply address, or other. This will allow us to choose who receives the reply messages. For email marketing lists, you will probably choose the message sender or other if someone else should be getting the responses. If we go to the bottom of the screen, you will see that you can also edit the message footer as well. Just click to edit. Once you are done, don't forget to select Save. Once you have these settings in place, you'll only have to come back to this page if you want to make additional changes. Now, let's get to sending a message. All you need to do is go to your email program and start a new message. You're going to send it to your list email address, which is your list ID at listbox.com. You can find this information on the About This List page in the Identification section. Now, let's take a look at an email. As you can see, I'm sending this to my list ID. After composing a message, you should be ready to send a message to your list. Once you send a message to your list, you will need to approve this message. Approval is required to ensure only legitimate mail goes out to your subscribers. You can approve messages using two different methods. One method would be to navigate over to your messages page and view the held section, where you will see that your message is currently being held. If we click on the message, we should find options which allow us to approve the message for delivery. You can also wait for a confirmation email, which will be delivered to list administrators. All you need to do is follow the instructions within the email to approve your message. Thanks for watching this screencast. We'll see you next time.